Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have updated to iOS 18 and your notifications are not working properly, you're not alone. Many users have noticed issues like missing alerts or songs not playing. Fortunately, there are simple solutions to help you get notifications back up and rolling. It is guys, we will walk you through quick fixes to resolve these problems. Let's jump in. Guys, you have to slide your control bar and here you have to click on do not disturb. As you can see, here is do not disturb option on. You have to toggle it off. Click on toggle it off. After doing that, you have to go all the way back, and then you have to click on the settings button. You have to go back in the main setting sections, and you have to scroll down and find notifications. You have to make sure that your all apps notification should be on. You have to make sure that your notification are allowed. All apps notification should be allowed. After ensuring that your apps notifications are allowed to everything, you have to go back again, and here you will find the notification option. Again, you have to go to notifications again, and you have to click on schedule summary, and you have to toggle it on. Click on continue. After doing this, you have to go back and check that your notifications are working properly or not. If it is not working properly, then you have to make your volume button up and then your volume button down. After doing this, you have to push the power button and volume button at the same time, and you have to restart your phone. After restart your phone, you will resolve the notifications error and your notifications will work properly. And if it is not working yet, then I will show you a button. Here you can see here is a button. You have to make sure that it is on. If it is not on and it is off like that, you have to click on and then again. Okay, let's go back in the setting options again. I am going to tell you, and on other solutions you have to go back in the settings options, and you have to click on the battery options and make sure battery percentage on and lower power mode should be toggle off. Okay, after doing these simple steps, you will be able to resolve your notifications not working problem, and now your notifications will work properly. And after iOS 18, enjoy your iOS 18. Thank you so much for watching this video.